Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Now, as you know, we like doing things a little special, a little extra, and today we did exactly that. So let's come over and take a look what I'm talking about. What do we have here? Well, we have the new Chevy Silverado 1500, and it came with a factory roll bar here. Now, as you know, when you're looking for covers, it says a lot of times you cannot get a cover with the factory roll bar. But as you can see from here, we just put a RetraxOne MX on here and we were able to make it work. Now take a look around here, and we had to do some modifications. So if you decide to do this, if you buy the cover from us, we actually have a video, we have pictures, we'll show you exactly step by step to how to do this. Of course, if you come to the store like this gentleman did, we'll do it for you. And if we do it, of course, we give you the C&H labor guarantee as well. So let's go in here and take a look at everything. Now, we've done a lot of videos with the RetraxOne. It's a great price cover. It's got the limited lifetime warranty. It holds 300 pounds on top here. It's got a lot of features that only this cover does. Well, what's that? Well, first of all, you can lock this anywhere along the track. Why is that good? Well, let's say you're putting something in the back of the bed and you want to use the cover to hold it in place. This cover lets you do that. So if you want to just open it up and you say, I just want to stop it right here, you can. You can stop anywhere along the track. Also, if you notice here, it does have a nice little cover for your lock. Now, in Florida, it's not that big of a deal, and it keeps the water from getting in the lock and maybe damaging it over time. But up north, if you're a person who lives in a place where it snows and gets ice, this keeps from water getting in the lock and freezing. And then, of course, you try to open, you can't because it's all frozen. That prevents that. So that's a really nice feature. So let me go ahead and open this all the way up. Now, as you know, with the roll bar being here, it might be a little extra effort, but not too bad. You can still get in there and do it and do your thing. It's not as easy if there's no roll bar there, you know, but it's not that big of a deal either. Now, the first thing you'll look in here, there is a drainage system that this canister has. Now, I'm always going to tell you the pros and cons. Now, this cover is actually one of the best covers for water. It's got a lot of great features that keeps the water out. Now, listen to me closely. This cover is just like any other cover. They're not waterproof. If someone's saying it's a waterproof cover, they're lying to you or they just don't know. But some covers are better at water than others. And the Retrax is one of the higher rated covers. It's got the drainage system, it's got the nice wide rails. Now, as you know, we have the roll bar here from the factory. And the factory had bolted that into the bed caps. And of course, there is holes in the bed caps from GM, not from us, from GM. Now, I went in there when we did all the things we did for the modification. I did seal it up the best I could. Now, again, there's 6 big holes, and we filled them up in there. And we don't know what kind of water, since it's the first one doing this, we don't know if we're going to get a little water and a lot of water. We don't know. I think we probably just get a small amount of water, to be honest with you, because like I said, we did add extra foam in there, and we did everything we could to seal up the holes that were made by the factory. So I think we'd be pretty good. I mean, the cover itself is going to do very well with the water, and we don't have to worry about the cover. Now, this has a matte finish. It's the MX finish. Again, it has the nice limited lifetime warranty. There we go. You got your little handle here, and as you can see, not too bad to close. Comes right up to the tailgate. Lock this in place here. Very easy to use, very easy to operate. It looks good. I think it complements the look of this truck. I mean, this matte finish does look like the finish that comes with the bed caps on this. And all in all, I think it's a sharp look. Now, you say, you know what, Chris? I like what you've done over here. I want that cover. How do you get that to me? Well, the good news is we can ship it anywhere in the country. Or you can come into our store, or just give us a call. Whatever it is, we can help you, which is very nice. Also, if you're curious about how we did this, now listen real closely. If you buy the product from us, we will walk you through every step we did to make this work. Now, if you go and you buy it from Joe Schmo, and then you watch my video and say, hey, I need these guys to help me out. We're busy. We're not the guy on the computer going boom, boom, boom. We're the guys doing the work. So if you didn't buy it from us, we can't stop working on some other customer who did buy from us to help you where you bought somewhere else. Take the time, call us, buy from the right people. It's not going to cost you any more money because our pricing is the same as everybody else. But the benefit to you is real simple. You're getting Dave, you're getting myself, you're getting John, you're getting people who know how this is done. And you don't want to get some guy who's just a computer guy. Well, it says on the computer it doesn't work. Well, you can see from my video, it does work, but you have to do a few things. And we'll tell you everything you need to do if you buy it from us. Again, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with stuff like this. I mean, if you bought that Chevy and you got that roll bar and you say, you know, I've been wanting to get a cover, but they say I can't. No, you can have it. You can get what you want with C&H Auto Accessories help. Again, this is Chris with C&H. Thank you very much.